Obama Kids TV. Hello, welcome you all. So today we are going to see a train. So it's a superpower train and a yellow train, isn't it? So this train is having lot of boxes and also the engine. So is it really working? So shall we go on a trip? Yes, here comes our train. Yellow train. Oh, there's a cow. Bye bye. So, I can see he's eating grass. Can you see? Yes, there is a zebra as well in the corner. Can you see? Yes, they are eating grass. So, the train is coming towards you. Kush, 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 kush. Kush, 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 kush. Kush, 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 kush. Kush, 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 kush. Is the sound of train. Have you ever gone on a trip? Yes, then shall we try? So bye. We are going on a train. So dear kids, the train is going on a railway, not on the road. The cars, buses, vans and everything is going on the road. But train is going on the railway. So just assume that you want to go two places from Switzerland to France. Then you can use this train because it is an easy way for traveling. But when you are going on the train, you want to be alert on some things. Keep in mind. First you need tickets. So you need to get tickets. So here this is a picture of a ticket. Why do you need ticket? As you get transport to this train, you need to give a pay for them. So after you get these tickets, there will be no issues. And there is an officer who is going to check for your tickets. So at that moment, what you have to do is you have to get your ticket and show it to the railway officer. So he will look at your ticket and will wish you a safe journey. So see you. Now we are going on a trip. Kush, 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 kush. Ooh. The train is having a very beautiful voice. And it is having lot of beautiful sceneries when you are passing on train. And also there is something important to know. When you are going on train, there are some road signs as in the road. So here, this shows the train and the road is crossing the same place. So you want to get alert on these road signs as well. So while you are traveling, you can get on to this train from a station and you can get down from a station. And you can have a good and safe journey. So here comes the engine first, then the boxes. So there's a new friend is here. So he was trying to get into the train. No, he's going to pass the railway. Okay, now you can go. He's with now the cow and the zebra. So you call him hippopotamus. So they are now at the glen and the railway is going around them, isn't it? Okay, then you can enjoy this train. See you, we'll come again with a new video. No, he's going to pass the railway. Okay, now you can go. He's with now the cow and the zebra. So you call him hippopotamus. So they are now at the glen and the railway is going around them, isn't it?